global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. We're still giving you an update on the hashtag Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu protest. Right now, the doggedness of the fan of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very conspicuous, despite the fact that they have been tear gas here and there, but they are still very dogged, very resilient as they have stormed the street, taking to different nooks and crannies of Abuja just to make sure that the federal government feel their presence. And I tell you the whole truth that their presence is already being felt. Interestingly, Sowore has resurfaced again, and he has a lot to tell Nigerians. Let me allow you to watch the video. We'll back to
Nnamdi Kanu is free.
Yes.
We started as early as 7 a.m. But it is customary with our security forces. They attacked us unprovoked. And we decided that we will relocate to other parts of the city. And we are in Fako, and we will go around the city today until the city is shut down. Or if you Nnamdi Kanu, instead of using the soldiers, using them on defenseless protesters. Please, you are aware that we show today as Nnamdi Kanu now rally. But we also tell Nigeria that today is the darkest day in the history of Nigeria. EndSARS protest 2020 is 5 years today. So we are going to take a minute silence to recognize the heroes who were killed at the Lekki toll gate for EndSARS. Can you take a minute silence?
Can we prove that?
Silence!
No. Can we prove it? Let's have more.
May their souls continue to pursue their oppressors. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. It is not a tribal issue. It is not a religious issue. It is not a sentimental issue. It is a social justice issue for us. We are not here as Igbos, all united. If they don't do that, they will get more. And they know it's not about Nnamdi Kanu alone. There's hunger and starvation in this country. There's political oppression. There's a lot of corruption going on under the Kanu. So very soon, this is the sea and bigger than that of West Africa. Let the people be moving. Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu now.
Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu now. Nnamdi Kanu now. The people united can never be defeated. 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 Nnamdi Kanu now. 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 United can never be defeated. A people 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 united. Nobody can say no. Nobody can say no. Nobody can say yes. Nobody can say yes. Nobody can say yes. Nobody can say yes. Nobody can say no. Nobody can say no.
What do we want?
Nnamdi Kanu now.
What do we want?
Nnamdi Kanu now.
Why are we outside?
Nnamdi Kanu now.
Why are we outside?
Nnamdi Kanu now.
What do we want?
Nnamdi Kanu now.
What are you saying?
Nnamdi Kanu now.
I can't hear you.
Nnamdi Kanu now.
Kanu now.